CTM stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be covering this in this very short and brief 1 minute video. Ultimately speaking, with CTM, I'm basically like one break away from buying more. But there is some nuance to this because if it breaks the lows at 109 first before it breaks 132, then this is going to be going to the trash bin, right? Like I'm not going to be buying this market. Finally saw the first break. I'm just like a second break away from buying more, and this swing trade here that I go, I'll still keep on the chart, right? Because at the time it was like 98 cents, and since then I was aiming for like 168-ish. Yeah, and since then it's been, you know, doing its thing slowly but surely, and hasn't come down beneath $1, you know, for the BEs to get hit. So that's CTM, and I do think I have a bunch of receipts here as well with about 15 results. So if you want to stay tuned and get free results, and just click the first link in the description, and see you in the next one.